Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode, we'll be doing assembly SA-303 of the boiler blowdown valve. Let's get assembling. Okay, this assembly SA-303. Okay, let's pull in the piece we want. So we want two pieces of this. Before we do view, hide, origins, and we want the first piece in. That goes there, beautiful. And let's pull the second piece in, which is going to go over here, which needs to be. Oh, that's not turning around. That's the correct way. That's the correct way. Let's go the other way. Nope, that's the correct way. Origin, beautiful. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so now we want mate. Gonna do the inside there. Do that one there. And that will mate that one up beautifully. Beautiful. Let me go that completely. And then that will go in there. Yep, so the thread goes in. Beautiful. Let's have a look at something on sideways. This looks inside. We want that view. And we want that one. So that goes all the way in. And that'll go there. That will block it off. So that will shut it off. So you pull it out. And you start through. So I'm not too sure what this does. So I'm not really a maker of this in real life. I love making this stuff. And, you know, I love to learn about this stuff too. So, but what I'm going to do, just to make things neat, I'm going to put that face, will catch up to me, and that face together. That way they flush. Nice and flush. Beautiful. Yep. That's interesting. There we go. Thread was out for some reason. I don't know why. Actually, no. No. Not that one. Undo that. Yeah, something's not right there. Oh, I think it's because the thread's cut. Yeah. I have two mates. I do. Okay. That's why I can't move that one out. Still there. Okay, let's move that one out. Let's see what happens when we go to mate. Because I want to go, because it's supposed to stop on this thing. So that's. Oh. Clear selection, thank you. Seriously, get out of there, thank you. Make sure nothing's selected. We want that face. That face, thank you. And that circle. And that should be good. There you go. Oh, yep, it's there. It's not fully screwed in. No, that's good because if I had fully screwed in, it'd be going further than where it should be. Excellent. Let me just get that mate so I don't pick anything accidentally. So the circle's there. That's good. That is good. Yep, that's looking good there actually. Perfect. So that's assembly SA-303, the boiler blowdown valve assembly. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. If you know some stuff about this stuff, always happy to hear from guys and girls. I'm always ready to learn, always share what I learn. So thank you very much. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.